Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Today I'm going to show you this 2-minute challenge, how working professionals can place this 2 minutes challenge, and this is done only to support the people who are trading along with me, who are implementing the same strategy which I'm implementing, so that you also get the confidence, you also get the booster, you also do the same kind of stock selection, entry, exit, target booking, profit booking, stop loss, everything as I'm doing, so that you are on the right track. So in order to support, in order to guide you day by day, in order to hand holding, I am recording this video and also sharing it on the live trading video. So welcome to today's live trading video, and today's live trading video was done on State Bank of India. Okay friends, so before going forward, this is my channel Angel Trading Friend, and if you like to learn more strategies on equities and commodities, don't forget to press the bell button and also the subscribe button. You'll be getting lots of videos, lots of educational videos, lots of strategies, and lots of hand holding support. Okay, so let us go directly to the video which I recorded today morning. So you can see the time is 9:18 and we are placing a trade, and the stock selected is to SBIN, State Bank of India. So the same has been already posted in the group. Now I have to trade for myself. So I am entering at 277.25 and I'm keeping a small buffer of 10 paisa. Target and stop loss will be only 0.3%, which is sufficient enough and smart enough. Okay, so you can see that by 9:19, so you can say 1 minute or less than 1 minute, I have placed the order, and it is very simple. That's it to be done. Okay, so nothing much confusion in this. You have to just place the order. And friends, the beauty of this is that it's available in bracket orders, available in Upstock and Zerodha. You just have to place a single order for entry, target, stop loss. That's it. You don't have to look into the system again and again. So in case if you're working, in case if you're not having too much of time, then this bracket order is very beneficial for you all. If you want to join Upstock or Zerodha, use the link which I provided in the description of this video, and you'll be getting 50% discount on my other services also. Okay, so let us go to the result and see. Result should not be a criteria, but still we can see that SBIN has given a profit of 2400. The buy average price and sell average price, you can see there. We easily made 0.8 which we wanted, and the target is done for today. And let us have a nice day. In fact, Bank Nifty features also had very good profits today, huge profit. I was not able to record the video because I had some work. So stay tuned, you'll be getting lots of updates, and further any doubts you can WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Thank you and have a nice day.